A few weeks ago, Sergeant Gunderson and Officer Rosendahl. What? This is July 10th? Let's see this. Okay. Wait a minute. Officer Rosendahl MacGyvered their way back into a vending machine in order to rescue a baby kitten. We aren't sure. Oh, he's going to rescue kittens, but he's going to carry a sheath in his pocket. Okay, named the kitten Tuxedo. Okay.
Here, little guy.
Piano?
Tiny little guy.
Tiny little guy. Hey, we'll go grab him.
Yes.
Here you go.
Well. Let's watch this again. Might get
To really show off the best bird is my food.
We're gonna have to grab something.
Okay, so Gunderson Rosendahl just watch.
Just go out there, sir. Wow. How do you do? Here, little guy.
Sounds like Rosendahl. No,
Piano?
Tiny little guy.
Tiny little guy. Hey, we'll go grab him.
Yes.
Woo.
Here you go.
interesting. See the comment. Oh, poor little baby. Well, now let's see. Oh, now I know something. Okay, hold on. Are they gonna tag him in it? No. Darn.
To really show off the
Let's see this. We'll see if we got a Rose to click on. Because this was... So, okay, so we've got him still working here. Jacob got his now. Okay. So, Eastern Washington University. Studied criminal. Married to Ashland Tisdale. Let's see his information.